Hello and welcome to the weekly oracle reading for the week beginning 18th of August onwards. Let's tune into the cards right away, okay? Okay, the first card is, it says Meadow and it says Vulnerability, okay? Okay, you guys have to forgive me for the noise of the background. There's nothing I can seem to do about it. I hope I'm audible. Okay, you guys have to realize the fact that we're going through a sensitive couple of weeks in our lives. Because it's one thing that, we've been through a relatively dormant first half of the year, and we come to a point where we know that we can start moving. But herein lies the problem. I still see a lot of people having control issues. And this is probably because you are trying too hard to get outcomes in the way you desire. In all honesty, you may see a lot of your desires not manifesting quite yet, okay? Let this not be a reason for you guys to feel disheartened, because this is the lesson for you guys, to be not attached to your outcomes. Meaning, we kind of define ourselves by what we are trying to seek, okay? And so what happens then when you do not get what you seek? You kind of feel lost. Therein lies the issue of our sensitivity. So we're trying too hard to attract a relationship, a business prospect, a monetary prospect. That doesn't work with the universe, okay? Universe doesn't work in deadlines. Forget that. Universe doesn't even guarantee that you will get a reaction from a certain person you expect a reaction from. You might get your karma redeemed through someone else. Things like having control over your life or someone else, or controlling the outcome of a certain situation, trying to manipulate things to kind of bring out the desired expectation. These are ridiculous concepts according to the universe. Okay, so what does true vulnerability mean? It just means that you guys by now know for a fact who you are and where you come from. Okay, you have a solid good realization about that, and because of that new redeemed faith in yourself, you should at least by now be in a position of not being affected by anything that doesn't work, or even that does work for the matter. Okay, be detached to the extent that you won't be ruled by what you expect to see happen in the world. Okay. Yeah, I'm also asked to throw caution to certain people out there who are absolutely empathic. Do not hesitate to seek professional guidance, okay? It's better to ask for advice from people who are not tainted with a certain kind of sentimentality towards you, okay? So it's better to kind of seek professional guidance, whether it's marriage counseling or psychotherapy, even spiritual counseling for that matter. Do not hesitate to reach out. For some of us, it's extremely important that we have a realistic, objective point of view at this point in time, because that's going to kind of give us room to think about how to proceed from this stage onwards. Do not deny any emotion that you feel, okay? I can never say this enough. We have to let go, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, the next card we have is Dawn, and it says New Beginnings. Alright, so I think this is a good reason enough for you guys to follow through. New beginnings can be better experienced with new attitudes. As you can see, you have the sun's rays hitting a part of this mountain, but the upper half of this space is still in darkness, and that's exactly how you will perceive this week as. Meaning you kind of are right in the middle of, your inhibitions and your fears and your conveniences that you've lived through. All those energies on one side is trying to regress you to whatever you've been living as, and on the other hand you have your newfound dream, your newfound inspiration calling you for an adventure. So there's a huge chance that you kind of have a tendency for you to misunderstand one for the other. Okay, and that's why I think it's crucial for you guys to be realistic and as objective as possible, to sort out and gain clarity on what works for you from here on, okay? And don't depend on any emotional sources for coming into conclusion. Yeah, they're saying that this is an intense time for you guys to kind of focus on rejuvenating your physical and mental energies. It's about getting in touch with revitalizing ourselves, both physically and mentally. Okay? Give yourselves time to have this information processed in. You have to allow your new lessons to settle in and then make a move forward. Yet again, don't be attached about this. Don't try to control things. Yeah, they're saying that some of us may feel a general sense of loneliness or feel as though we're cut off from things around. Yeah, they want you to kind of not magnify that situation this week. Maybe you're not getting a response from a prospect, or maybe you're not getting a call for that job interview. Do not blow things out of proportion, because you could use something as little as that and regress all the way back. We're still in the transition process, okay? So give it its due time. Don't jump the gun, okay? Yeah, they're saying that despite all these warnings, no matter how bad things are, you're very protected. Okay, the next card we have is Waterfall, and it says effortless. Okay. You guys are pushing too hard, okay? You're trying to take control a bit too much. The idea is to be in balance, not to be in control. The idea is to be effortless. What actually means by being effortless is about not having to push so hard to be effortless. And it doesn't mean that you sit at your desk and do nothing. It just means that you make efforts from a space of sincerity and calmness with ease. Okay? And that sense of ease can only settle in if you are not too hung up about a deadline or a rigid expectation. You know, replace that expectation with anticipation. That works better. Okay? Doing what you must do on a daily basis from a space of calmness, sincerity, at the same time not being impatient, okay? And allowing things to come to you at their pace. Every time you try too hard to push anything or do anything, you give your power away. And that your power is actually in accepting that you know you're doing the best you can. At the same time, you don't expect things to happen overnight, but you will keep trying no matter what, okay? It doesn't mean getting rid of the responsibilities. You will have to train yourself to believing in this, okay? And give it a shot. There's nothing wrong in experimenting. I think we've had worse losses by now, okay? There's no harm in trying something as simple as this. And there's a huge possibility that we might just get enlightened by this very trial, okay? So go do something with it. Okay, moving on. Next card is Crystals. It says focus. Okay, it seems like a week of efficient self-regulation. Focus, again, just like being effortless, it's also not a tensive state of mind. It seems to me that, you guys were working towards something and something intervened that process and distracted you, and your attention completely turned towards something negative. So they're saying that whatever that dream was, let's just say even to the extreme example of that being shattered at the moment, pick up those pieces and move forward, okay? Keep moving. Do not allow that circumstance to define what could be for you, okay? So they want you to kind of be relaxed and focus on what you must be doing. And they're saying that first of all, you might want to stop feeling sorry for yourself to do this. If you think it's too hard for you to kind of find yourself going back into it again, try something new that kind of perks you up. And probably take into some hobbies for now, okay? And ensure this time you're not attached to what you do, so that you find it easier to kind of follow through with what you must do, okay? We all self-sabotage ourselves the moment we attach our expectations. You got to stop doing that. And try focusing on one thing throughout the day. Even if you feel that you've lost the inspiration, you've lost the motivation, just do it, okay? The best writers in the world, it's not that they're inspired every single day. They go to the desk, they keep writing, okay? But someday when the inspiration hits them, all of them make sense. Okay, so keep trying. So you don't know how, or what are the mysterious ways in which universe can give us things. Maybe you failed the nth time, but if you have it in you to follow through, follow it through. Just look for the lessons behind these instances and keep moving forward. So that's all, folks, for this week. I will get in touch with you again next week, same time, same channel. Please be very wise about the decisions that you make this week, and do not hesitate to take help if it's required. Sometimes it's okay not to have all the answers. Okay, we're not perfect. Sometimes we need help, and we need each other. Okay, so listen to your soul's calling. If you feel you want to do something totally different to get to the space of thinking, do that. Okay, that is guidance for you. All right then. I love you all. Bye.